excited to go grocery shopping.
Very. Love grocery shopping. Because you people can't drive where?
Yes, it's a bit of road rage.
You meant to boil it in oil.
What? Like, I thought it was gonna be a fail.
I just want to hear, do you have any pods and salts, Jazz House?
Pods and salts, the mixed salt.
Yeah.
No, unfortunately I don't have any on stock.
It's looking so busy today, which makes me worry because that means Checkers is probably going to be an absolute freaking shit show. All of these people are watching me talk to myself. That's so awkward. They're literally just staring at me. I don't know why I care about people that I don't know and I'll probably never see again. A man he freaking hates grocery shopping. As soon as we in Checkers, he wants to get out. It's like, okay, you have everything. I'm like, no, so impatient. Then I can't think straight and then I end up forgetting everything. Which is why I need lists, so that I can go ingredient by ingredient. You know? What did you get?
Lamb tobacco. Fuck,
At least it's a small one.
lamb tobacco. You know, it's like taking fish and giving, you know, fish and bananas. No one fucking wants lamb with their tobacco. Yeah. Stop smoking. It's easy. Power of the mind. It is. True. But and then you at least want to enjoy something else.
You know, it's almost been a year since you stopped smoking.
It's exactly a year on the 26th.
Remember when the plan was to like stop smoking and vaping altogether?
Stress. Dealing with clients. Having 40 to 50 phone calls a day.
How's the lamb flavor?
Not really tasting it yet. It's gonna hit me.
Are you excited to go grocery shopping?
Very. Love grocery shopping. Come on. Your mommy's gonna go shopping or are you gonna sit in the bucket and wait?
Maybe you come with me.
Bye bye, mommy. Bye bye.
First stop, Checkers.
Because you people can't drive where?
Yes, it's a bit of road rage.
Hello, welcome to American Embassy, BOYA.
Can I please have one extra long chili cheese and then one big king XXL?
Anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
I should have got that one.
What's it?
Bacon king. Also for the chili. That looks good, eh? Sorry, can I change that big double? And then I'm gonna go around. I made a mistake. Thank you, man.
That's a good brother. This is an insanely large piece of chili. Did I eat it? That's a big chili. So I want to go to beer garden. Matt doesn't.
I'll make cocktails.
You're gonna make cocktails. Name one that you're gonna make.
Mojito.
How do you make that?
Gin.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think you do. We don't have gin.
We do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
Where?
There's lots of gin.
Okay, it's fine. But then you're gonna make me a cocktail.
Max, I'm so full, I'm sick. That burger is probably close to a kg. more.
We'll be back home. I definitely think it's gonna be a bit excessive to do a whole grocery haul on a month's worth of stuff. So now I need to pack all of this away. We got this really cute, so heavy, little cast iron bread pot from Checkers today. It's one of the Bush Baby ones. So I'm going to attempt to make a loaf of bread, even though I have never been able to successfully make a loaf of bread. I'm going to try it anyway, because now I've got a cute little bread pot, so it's got to work. And I think the lids for these are flat because you're supposed to put like coals on top. I have no idea the cooking process, that's up to Matt. I'll make the dough. Hopefully that doesn't flop. How cute is it?
It's cool. Did you put the lid on this?
Yeah.
Did it come out then? It's cool.
Yeah.
Now it was just my cool bread.
How are you supposed to wash this before you cook on it?
You meant to boil it in oil. Put hot oil and clean it.
Explain?
No, I don't really know. I think that's what we did with our porky pot.
And it doesn't come in instructions. That's in another language.
Clean it, put oil in, put it on the stove, on the oven, on the top, and let it boil.
Okay, let's just give it a go. Let's try and clean this pot. Okay, so I've washed it and I think it's dry enough. There's still a little bit of water in there. I'm just gonna wipe it quickly. But yeah, I think that's dry enough. Now you're supposed to put oil in it and let it heat up until it smokes. Let's hope it's not a fire or something. Trust me to do that. Honestly, never done this before, so if this is a fail, that's why. Okay, so it says 6 cups of flour. That's a lot of flour. It says it makes 2 loaves. I only want to make 1, especially if it's just gonna fail. I think I'm just gonna halve everything. Whatever, I'm gonna give it a go. If it fails, it fails. That looks like it's smoking. That is definitely starting to smoke. This greased bowl and hope for the friggin' best. Alrighty, let's see if that rises. Okay, now for this next part is cleaning this pot. It's cooled down nicely. So you're supposed to wipe it out with a paper towel until it doesn't look like that anymore. That is so stiff. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it one more time because There's still a bit of black in here.
How much?
So I'm going to do it again.
How long are you going to be?
This is insane. Okay, I think this is going to take a while, so I'll check in again when I've actually cleaned the pot. Okay, so Matt ended up making, why is my hair so fluffy? Some very, very nice cocktails. I actually thought he was joking when he said he was going to make me a cocktail, because I actually was not aware that he could make cocktails. On another note, just take a look at how my bread turned out. Okay, and this is before it's been baked, obviously, but I was worried that it wasn't even going to rise. Wow. I mean, come on. That doubled in size. What? Like, I thought it was going to be a fail. I'm literally so freaking proud. And this is the step that I always fail on. Like, I can never get the bread to rise. Ever. So, I'm pretty happy about this. Let's just hope the final product is a success, like after we've cooked it and everything. Because if it is, I'm going to be pretty freaking happy about that. Anyway, I'll let you know how it turns out at the end. Like after it's cooked and everything. I'm still struggling with this goddamn pot. Let me get a clean thing. Like, I cannot get it clean. I don't know. Hold on one second. Doesn't matter how many times I like heat it up with oil and then wipe it, it still comes out black. But it is definitely getting there, so I think I'm going to do it another couple of times. And hopefully we can get it clean. So you say your cocktail has gone into your head a bit.
We'll speak at 10.
It was really good. I didn't know you could make cocktails.
No, neither did I. But I like drinking, so I'm sure that I can. Just think dirty stuff.
Yeah, I can't get, I know, but I can't get it clean.
But baby, did you boil the oil? That
Yeah.
the oil smoked?
Yeah, I did.
Yep, that's clean. Finally.
Yeah, that took forever. That was a couple of hours. Like, if you get one of these pots, don't expect to be using it like within an hour, because it's just not going to happen.
But once it's done, it's done.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, well, let's hope that's clean enough.
Okay, we'll put the dough in here, that I can let it rise in here.
This is it, and I swear there ain't nothing better. We're up and we're out in the perfect weather. I just wanna run away with you. I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll?
Okay, I am going to end the vlog off here. It is very late and Matt and I are both ready for bed, so we've moved the mattress into the lounge as per our usual weekend tradition. Yeah, it was a very, very chilled evening. I was planning on vlogging tomorrow, but in all honesty, it's pointless because we're really not going to be doing anything. Yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.